Welcome back. Now, before you begin looking for offers on the WarriorPlus network, you're going to want to be aware of your affiliate score. So go to your account. When you get there, you're going to want to look to the account summary. You're going to see when you scroll down that you are going to have an affiliate score. And this will determine in some cases how you'll be viewed by a vendor that doesn't know you personally or doesn't know you in your business. In fact, you may have a case where you don't have a score at all, and this will show you typically as a new affiliate. In some cases, depending on what your score is, the vendor may have a setting that will make it so that you will get this message when you are seeking to apply to promote their product. Typically, this is a semi-automated function set by the vendor to state that if an affiliate has a certain score, they will not be allowed to apply. Now, typically what will happen when you make requests for a product is you will see a message stating that your request to promote the offer is going to be pending. This means now that the vendor must approve your offer. The vendor will see a notification in their box, or they'll get an email and they'll click this request. What the vendor will see is they'll see the product, they'll see your name here, which is grayed out, and they'll see your affiliate score. They can choose to approve you just based on your score, or they can choose to deny you approval. So it is a good practice that when you are a new affiliate, that you would reach out to the product creator if you have made application and you know that your score is either new or it's low in terms of WarriorPlus. It's important to note that the product creator can also hover over your score and they can determine how much activity that you've done at this point. Again, everything will depend on how comfortable that product creator is going to be with your business. So if you want to promote a product and you think it's likely that you could be denied, you may want to reach out to the product creator. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.